Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Ring the doorbell. No, Simba, stay. Ring the doorbell.
Hi, Daddy.
Go.
Hi, Daddy. Hi,
What are you doing?
Daddy.
What are you doing?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What are you guys doing? Is it raining?
Hi, Dad.
Hi. What are you doing?
Love you.
Love you.
Are you kidding?
¿Qué quieres, gato vaca? ¿Qué quieres?
Ay, déjalo, pobrecito.
Miau, 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 miau.
Déjalo.
Miau, 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 miau. Miau.
¿Los gatos hacen eso?
Miau. Miau.
Sí.
Miau. Gato pendejo. Miau. Miau, 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 miau.
Hi, Daddy. I miss you so much. I only miss you soon, Daddy, because I really want you to come back. Bye, Daddy. I'm going to school to learn a lot. Dad, I love you so much. Come on soon. I love you. Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut. I love you so much. So much. Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. We're going to see you soon. It's your birthday today. I love you so much. Dad, I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? I hope you come back soon. Bye, Dad.
Hi, sweetheart. Are you one of my girls are here?
No. I'm just all by myself at my house.
You're all by yourself? Your mommy's not there?
No one's there.
Where's Grandma?
She's gone.
Grandma's not downstairs?
What about CJ?
CJ's gone too?
Yeah, with his friend. He had to go to softball.
Oh my goodness. Alyssa, do you have a phone number memorized I can call your mom?
No. I don't know my mom's phone number.
My mom we're texting her to see if she'll drive up there. Lythia?
Yes?
I'm going to hang up the phone for a minute, but I can still see you, okay? I'm going to call somebody and see if they'll come get you. So stay right there on the porch, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
P, this is ridiculous. This is completely ridiculous. You just went outside 3.5 minutes ago. Please refrain from screaming at the front door. Thank you. Goodbye.
open the door. There's a bobcat and I want to come in. Please.
Okay, tell her we're going to be home in 1 minute.
Is anyone home?
No, we're going to be home in 1 minute. We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
Okay. I really want to come in because my mom, I don't know where my mom, I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
Okay. I want my mommy.
Run. Just
Okay. It's fine. Just stay there, okay? We're literally turning the corner where AJ's is. Okay.
and don't hang up with her. Stay on the phone with her.
Okay. Can you call my mom?
Yes, I will definitely do that. As soon as I get you in my house safe, I will call your mom.
Okay.
I'm almost there. I'm right by the park. I'm almost there.
Are you in? Leave on the bomber. Hi, Dad. I hope you have a safe flight.
Hey, kiddo.
Hi, Daddy.
How
I
you
hope
doing,
you have
buddy?
a safe flight.
Thanks, buddy. I hope you have a wonderful day. You look marvelous.
Thank you.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Cool. I'm about to board here in a minute.
Oh, then I don't want to bother you.
Oh, you're not a bother, kiddo. You know that. Anything else you got to say? You gonna be good today?
Yeah, I'm going to be good today.
All right, kiddo. I love you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Pizza, pizza.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing the trash right now.
All right.